Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert checkbox in Excel. So you can insert the checkbox in sale, rows, or you can insert the checkbox into wholesale. So let's start with the video. Before we are going to start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, do subscribe, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So here we are. This is my Excel sheet, and I have some data like, so I'm going to show you how to insert the checkbox in Excel. So I'm going to insert the checkbox in Excel cell. So first you need to have the data where you work. So I have data, and in this E cell, E column, I'm going to insert the checkbox. Okay. So first we need the development option in your tab. So you can see there is no any development option. So you have to add your development option in your Excel tab. So first you need to click anywhere in your ribbons and just right click and click on customize the ribbons, and the one pop-up will become like Excel option, and there is a, you can see in your right side customize ribbons, and here you can see the developer, and it is by default until you have to click, and now you have to click on OK. So here now I will got the we will got the developer option. After got the developer option, here you can see there is a many commands that you can use, and here you need to click on the insert, and here you can found you can here you can find the form control and active X control. Active X control is for the dynamic you know uh, checkbox, and it is the deep this is okay. So I'm going to show you the form contract, basic level contract, form contract. So just click on this tick, checkbox icon, and the checkbox icon, when you click the, you can see the your cursor convert into plus sign, and just click when in just click on place where you want to put the checkbox. So in my case I want to put checkbox in this cell. So just click, checkbox has been changed. Here you can resize like this, and you can delete the default name, like I have just deleted default name, and you can see the checkbox now active. When I click outside where the checkbox will automatically lock here and will be stick here. When you right click it, then will be the edit option will be appear again, and you can edit as per your requirement. You can move it as per your requirement. And when you go to the format control, there is a many format you will see, like if you want line color, you can change line color also. Sorry, this is back color. If you go to format, I keep it as a default. Fill color and transparency, there is a many color. This is a line color. Okay, if I change it, you can see the line color has been changed. Okay, I keep it as a default. Okay, there is a size. If you want to unlock it, a lock text, you keep it as a default, because we when you use a filter, so it will be not hide if you untick it. Okay, just do okay. So you can see now, if you want to copy it, just click on cell and click on this bottom arrow of the cell, and just hold it by holding the left button with your mouse, and just scroll down. You can see it is now appear to all cell, and it can be usable. And if you want to remove it, just right click of the box, and you can see here the cut, or you can simply delete from your Excel. First you have to untick it, and just right click and cut. Okay, first you have to right click, then this the editing option will become. and you have to when you click on cut, it will be deleted. So yeah, you have to right click, then cut, right click, cut. Okay, that is how you can insert and remove the checkbox in the Excel. If you want to learn how you can insert the bullet point in Excel, you can check our previous video, which is the video link has given to the description this video, so you can check out. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment.